I'm at the very nice place called Tom Watson's in Stockton to do cheese. Hey what, lovely, lovely people. I'm on locals today. I started at 2 o'clock. I got out the yard at 3. So I'm at Tom Watson's. What I'm doing now is just writing it down on my timesheet because I like to know what time you arrived, this, that, and the other. I've only been here once before. Now, and on the temperature at 0. It should have been running really, but never mind. And after here I'm going to a new place called, well, it's not a new place to them, but it is to me, SK Foods. I had a slight technical problem, that's why I couldn't record. I did a makeshift camera mount. I've got some on order, makeshift, and it failed. So I've just got the camera at the moment resting on the dashboard, but I won't be driving with it tonight. It's getting on anyway now. It's time is it? Up one. It's exactly 5 o'clock, 5 PM. 20th, by the way. Shift 4, 5, shift 4. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Working tomorrow. And then after that, I'm off Thursday, in Friday, off Saturday, Sunday. Oh yeah. So here I am at SK Foods. Again, nice people. Put me on the bay. There was no one about at all. There's about 6 or 7 bays. There's no one here. This guy's just pulled up, opened the back doors. I'm not sure what else he's doing. I've seen him move some pallets to the back doors, so I think he's trying to make it quick. He might come out and just take them off. Oh, he's going to just back onto a bay. Do that as well. I'm just having a little bit of a tidy up at the minute. Once I get my pallets, I've got 7, 8, 9 pallets to put on the back of here, and once I've got them, I'm away down the road, get them dropped off back at the ranch, and then I'm away out doing some more collections from God knows where. Okay, catch you soon. Just as I say catch you soon, the guys are in the back. Start loading me up. No locks on my truck. I haven't took the keys off us, nothing. I've took the keys out of the ignition myself anyway. Just have it. So I won't be long. I've only got 9 pallets and then I'm down the road. I'm actually now at Heck. So my locals, this is 65 mile away from base. So 65 times 2, 130 mile. And I was obviously down Teesside, Stockton just before that, back to the yard, asked me to come to Heck, so this is like I'm in my element. Locals normally I'm back and forward at Paradise Foods and it's like mind numbing. It's work though, you know, you don't do it very often. Me particularly, I don't do it very often at all. So when I do it, although it's a nice change, when it comes to like say day 2 or day 3, just like bad head. I've just had to do a trailer swap. These guys are still loading the one I'm waiting for. So I'm just getting my paperwork ready for the new trailer, which I backed onto but haven't gone underneath yet. I'm just sitting in front of it, and as soon as that curtains are shut, I'll go and get the paperwork, green light to hook up, do my trailer checks, and get my horse back out of Dodge. We need to be out of here by 9:30 apparently for this order. It's 8:35 now, so it's all good. What time is it? I've just said 8:35, 20:35. I like to do it like that. Start mileage on this truck is 269,092 kilometers. And that's for a 16 plate. Trailer number I'm not sure of. I've done all the checks on the truck, so because I did them when I first hooked up. Height is set at 39. No issues with the cab, and everything else is spot on. Then I've just got to do the checks for that one when I've hooked onto it. All the usual suspects. Print and sign your name. Kiss Mr. Boss apples yet? Have you done your tricks? Yes, sir. Right, Mackems are getting beat 1-0. So I'm going to listen to a bit of that. Bit of comedy. Comedy gold.